So this is kind of where I'm at the moment. Start out with this, in focus, which is just under a 1/2 inch thick. Solid right here that I cut up in many pieces. Then earlier, about a week and a half ago, I don't know. This is 5 layers. But I saw that I had left over, and I made the decision, hey, let's go big or go home. At this point, I should have stayed home. This is 15 layers. Oops. Still working on getting it cleaned up. Make sure I don't have any oopses in there. But where I'm sitting right now, let me go back here. The shop looks like a bomb went off in it. And I'm spending more time in front of this thing than I ever really want to. But you know what? I'm still having the time of my life.